Okay, time to draw the square, but this time using the computer. So I created a new Python file and called it mindstorms.py. You could have called it something else. And then inside it, I created a function called drawSquare, which for now is empty. Now I know there is this module in Python called turtle. This is the actual thing that moves around and draws stuff on the computer. By the way, I encourage you to find out why this thing is called turtle and not a dog or a cat. One way to start to draw is by saying turtle.turtle. Now the syntax is a little weird, and we will understand it by the end of this video. But it suffices to say that this is how we grab a turtle. I will call it Brad. Now the first thing we want to do is move Brad forward, and we can use the forward function for that. This function takes in a number, which is the distance we want to move forward. Now I just want to run this code and see if it's even working. But you know what? The one thing we forgot is that we still don't have a screen on which this turtle, aka Brad, is going to move around. In other words, we need the red carpet equivalent in our program. I know that is done by adding a window screen, and this window is going to have a red background. And I want to be able to close this window anytime I click on it. Now let's save and run this program. All right, it seems that we have a window with a red background and a turtle named Brad, which has moved 100 steps forward. Okay, so I am back at the code, and now I'm going to finish making the square. So after Brad has moved 100 steps forward, I want to turn it right, and I want to do so by 90 degrees. So I can say Brad.right 90. And because I want to do these two steps right here 4 times to draw a square, I'll just copy paste them a few times. So I'm going to copy these 2 lines and I'm going to paste them. Second time, third time, fourth time. Let me save and run. All right, it seems like we have our first square.